Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will do the fifth part of chapter number 9, that is the money market and capital market in India. In this part we are going to learn the role of money market in India. When we talk about the role of money market in India, basically there are the 8 role of money market in India. The first one is short-term requirements of borrowers. The first role is short-term requirements of borrower. The second one is liquidity management. Third one is portfolio management. Fourth one is equilibrating mechanism. Fifth one is financial requirement of government. Sixth one is implementation of monetary policy. Seventh one is economize the use of cash. Eighth one is growth of commerce, industry and trade. So these are the 8 role of money market in India. Now let us start with the first role of money market in India. The first role is short-term requirements of the borrower. What is the first role? That is the short-term requirements of the borrower. In this we can say that the money market provides reasonable access. Money market provides the reasonable access for meeting the short-term financial needs of the borrower. So, in the first part we can say that the money market provides the reasonable access for meeting the short-term financial needs of the borrower at the realistic price. So it plays a very important role in providing the short-term financial needs of the borrower. Money market plays a very important role in meeting the need of the short-term financial needs of the borrower at the realistic price. First one. Second one is liquidity management. In this we can say that the money market is a dynamic market. Dynamic means it always keeps on changing. Money market is a dynamic market which provides the better management of liquidity and money market in the economy for monetary authority. It provides the better management of liquidity and money for the monetary authorities. This in turn leads to the economic stability and development of the country. Have you understood the liquidity management? In liquidity management we can say that money market provides the better management of liquidity and money, and this leads to economic stability and development of the country. Third one is portfolio management. Money market deals with the different types of financial instruments that are designed to suit the risk and preferences of the investor. This enables the investor to hold the portfolio of the different financial assets, which helps in minimizing the risk and maximizing the return. So third part deals with the money market provides the different type of financial instrument to enable the risk bearing capacity of the investor, which helps to minimize the risk and maximize the return. So I hope all the 3 parts, that is a short-term requirement of the borrower, liquidity management, portfolio management, is clear to you. Now let us start with the fourth part. The fourth part is equilibrating mechanism. Through rational allocation of resources and mobilization of saving into investment channel, money market helps to stabilize equilibrium between the demand for and supply of short-term funds. In equilibrating mechanism, we can say that the money market establishes the equilibrium between the demand and the supply of the short-term fund. Means it plays a very important role in equilibrating the demand and supply of the short-term funds. And the fifth part is financial requirements of the government. Money market plays a very important role to fulfill the needs of the government, that is short-term financial requirements of the government on the basis of treasury bill. The fifth part deals with the money market plays a very important role in providing the short-term financial helps to the government. So the fourth part is equilibrating mechanism. In this we have seen that money market helps to establish the equilibrium between the demand and supply of the short-term funds. And fifth one is financial requirements of the government. In this we have seen that the money market plays a very important role to fulfill the short-term needs of the government. Now let us start with the sixth part. Sixth part is implementation of monetary policy. Monetary policy is implemented by the central bank. So central bank plays a very important role in implementing, that is framing the monetary policies. It aims at managing the quantity of money in order to meet the requirements of different sectors of the economy. So central bank plays a very important role in framing the monetary policies. The main aim of it is to provide the quantity of money in order to meet the requirement of different sectors of the economy and to increase the pace of economic growth so that the economy can grow at the much faster rate. A well-developed money market ensures the successful implementation of the monetary policy. It guides the central bank in developing an appropriate interest policy. So implementation of monetary policy, we have seen that the monetary policy is mainly implemented by the central bank. The main aim of the central bank is to provide the requirement of the different sector of the economy, which helps in providing the better development of the economy. And the seventh one is economize the use of cash. Money market deals with a various financial instruments that are close substitute of money and not actual money. Thus, it economizes the uses of cash. In economizes the use of cash, we have seen that the money market deals with the different financial instruments that are close substitute of money and not the actual money. This is the economize the use of the cash. So sixth one is implementation of the monetary policy, and the seventh one is economizes the use of the cash. And the last part is, that is the eighth one, is growth of commerce, industry and trade. Money market facilitate the discounting bills of exchange to the local and international traders who are in urgent need of short-term funds. It also provides the working capital for agriculture and small-scale industries. So money market plays a very important role in providing the short-term funds to the agriculture, small-scale industries with the help of this, so that they can grow at a much faster rate. So eighth one, we have seen that the money market plays a very important role in growth of commerce, industry and the trade. With this, we have done the role of money market in India. So we have seen the 8 different role of money market. The first one was short-term requirement of borrower. The second one was liquidity management. Third one was portfolio management. Fourth one was equilibrating mechanism. Fifth one was financial requirement of the government. Sixth one was implementation of the monetary policy. Seventh one was economizing the use of cash, and the eighth one was growth of commerce, industry and trade.